Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and I want to show you a couple of things that I've just got. This is one that I'm unboxing and this is something I got the other day which is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So the one I got has 2 packs of ink cartridges in and comes with one inside already, but it's an address obscurer for want of a better word. So all you do is you hold it across whatever you want to get rid of. And there you go. No more identity theft. Well, not from your address anyway. So you don't have to go to the trouble of cross-shredding all of your mail or scribbling out, cutting up or whatever you do. You just do this. Fabulous. So, absolutely one of the best buys. I've seen them a long time. They pop up on Facebook and places like that. And I've seen them, but I never really order from Facebook. But I managed to find one just by searching from a company. I'm not doing very well with this side. The others went okay. There we go. So let's move that out of the way. I'll put a link in the bottom and tell you all about that. But this, as you can see, is a slow winder, well, a wool or yarn winder. Now I do have one anyway. I have a Knit Pro, but it only does, in fact the first one I had was a 50-gram ball, would only make a 50 gram, which was a bit annoying, but then the one I have now, the Knit Pro, will do 100 grams, but this one is a big one, and so it's meant to be able to do it's heavy, the large ones. So wow, that is heavy. Much more kind of heavy duty. So let's just put all the components over there for a sec, move the box. So here we are. It really is a heavy one. Now I'd wanted one of these for quite some time, and I was kind of always looking for the one that's considered the best. Always out of stock, that one. I was hoping it would tell me the capacity on here, but it actually doesn't. Does it say anything on the box illustration? No, it just says slow winder. But it is the larger capacity. And I just realised that this table is probably not the best one to show how it works, because there isn't a lip on the side. I'll show you what I mean. I bought a table, if I can move the chair, that opens out to double the size. So it's got this at the bottom, which is a solid kind of bottom of the table, but this is double thickness. So it may work, it may not. I might have to find another place. Although I do have the yarn room and everything, so I will set it up in there and give it a try. But for now, I'm just unboxing. This is really heavy. And I feel that with that wheel and the weight of it, etc., it could actually mark the table. So I'm going to put it on here. So what we've got is a brass, well, possibly brass wheel. So it's not plastic or anything, and it's quite a sturdy one. This is really heavy. And we've got the clamp, which you loosen off and can put it on the thing. And as you can see, it's got a really large spool for making the cakes. So I will give it a good try and set it up. And it's got this other guide. So whereas the small one, you just have this little eyelet that kind of sticks up and you put your yarn through it. This one has this one here. So, yeah. Obviously that's the bobbin. And we've got a flyer and the yarn guide. So that's good, because when I use the other one, I have to hold the yarn up. But this is doing it for me. So that's pretty cool. I like this. I will give this a try. I wanted a large one for quite some time because, I have some of these really large balls of yarn which do not fit in my stash at all. They don't fit in any of the shelves. So I thought it might be nice to see what they're like if I can cake them up. And plus I've got some that are little 50-gram balls that equally don't really fit on the side, and I could maybe make a large cake from them. But yeah, that's it. That's the one. I'm hoping it does a fair size, other than, I mean, it's got to do a pretty fair size, isn't it? It's massive. So it's not the main brand that everybody wants, but I can't see a great deal of difference. I know in some ways you get what you pay for, but you also only get it if it's in stock, right? And 9 times out of 10 it isn't. So I got this from Amazon, and I will give it a good test, which I may or may not do on camera. And if it is a really good one, I will put a link. I presume that's meant to be that shape. I would have thought so. It's been well packaged and everything. So yeah, I will give it a test, and if it is a good one, I will share the link with you, because it wasn't as expensive as the one that's always out of stock. So yeah, that's my little purchase for the day. But this thing, I cannot sing its praises enough. It's just an ID protection stamp. And it's got lots of ink in it already, which is brilliant. But it's a Vantamo. Yeah, really, really good. I like it a lot. I've been obscuring everything before I throw it away. And it's so much easier than getting a pile for the shredder and having a cumbersome shredder around. Just zap off anything like account numbers that you don't want people to see, addresses you don't want people to see, any of your personal data. Just go across it. And if you think you can still see it, do it again. And then you can't. So, brilliant purchase. And this one, I think, was around, don't quote me, but I think it was around £14 or £15, and it had all that extra ink in it. If it wasn't much more, if it was any more. But this, I can't remember how much it was, but I will test it. If it's a good one, I will share the link and let you know the cost and the company. But I won't do that yet, because I don't know that it's a good one yet, and I don't want to be steering you towards something that isn't. But we'll give it a good test and see. It looks fairly straightforward. It's only a little bit different to the original one. Obviously the clamp is stronger and sturdier, and it has this extra guide for the yarn, which mine doesn't have. It's just got this one, but then it is a small one. So wish me luck, and I will let you know how I get on. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care, see you on the next one. Oh, and before I go, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there are new videos. Bye for now, everyone.